Hey guys, this is Tiaga. Let us see the market anticipation for coming week, that is October 3rd week. So this is weekly chart of Nifty 50. So if you see the chart, the last week candle is indecisive. You can see here this is an indecisive candle. Even though it's green, it is an indecisive candle. And last week fully it was volatile and consolidating between a range of 17305 to 16910 or 930, I believe. So this is in between this range. It was moving here and there, but at the end it's closed with indecisive. So guys, so if you see in the weekly chart, the double top is still active. So here this is a neckline, and you can see here, and Nifty is closed exactly below the neckline. That is the price action does not allow the price to move above or close above the neckline. So that is not good sign for Nifty, at least. So the price could have been closed at 17,350, that is highest of the Friday. It could have been a good week for us, and coming week we can anticipate a huge movement in the Nifty. So that is so now we can say it is like a cat on the wall. So exactly this price is closed and resistant. It may go up, it may go down, but probably it can go down, and we don't know. We have to see the Monday open close. So that I will show you in the daily chart. So let me remove this, not create confusion. Okay, so this is a daily chart. So if you see here, there is a trend line coming like this, and the other trend line is this one, that you can adjust this like this a bit. So it's like an ascending triangle pattern. So the price has opened and closed exactly at the support, a little bit above. In fact, the support is 17,120. So it's a little bit 80 points closed above this trend line. So if from next week, if price is Monday open and close, open and close is above this trend line, that is 17,001, above 17,150. If open and close is come, even what kind of candle it is, indecisive or bullish or bearish candle, if it is price is close above the last week, the Friday low, then not low, the Friday closer, then the price will move up only. That is an anticipation, because or else any open close below this trend line, that is 17 below 1700, the price, if it is closed below this, then again next week, maybe 2-3 days continuously can anticipate the selling, and again the support will be come somewhere here 750. The first support will come at this stage. This one will act as a first support, that is 16,780 to 750, and next support will come here only. This is the next support, 16,450. This will be support. I don't think it will move very violently downside. It try to consolidate in the below this, above this trend line, and if it is open and close comes here, let's see, we can confirm on Monday. But already SGX Nifty is indicating about 150 points gap down, that is 70,000, 17,050. So we cannot say one day. Again Monday morning we have to see how the Asia market is behaving, and how the features Dow and the Nasdaq features are working. So you cannot say again I can come to an you can again 150 point can pick up in the morning, and open price can be open at above this trend line, and that is 1700 above, and price can further move ahead because we are getting the weekly results of HDFC and L&T Infotech. All those things are given decent results. So probably that it's just Nifty opening may be wiped out, and we can open positive. If we open positive on Monday, then the full entire week probability of going in the positive is the direction move we can get. For last 2 weeks we're not getting any directional view. So I'm myself also one day BRS the call taken, and the next day I'll square off, and alternate day approach was based on the candle base. I was between the support and the resistance I was taking the trades. So I got a profit, but not very good profit because there is no directional move. That is about my last week trade. This is the analysis of Nifty. So Monday open and close of candle is very important to watch for the behavior of coming 4 days, next 4 days. So Diwali is going to come, so we have to see how the Diwali before Diwali whether it's going to crack or break. Let's see. Maybe Monday, Tuesday can confirm how the market is going to behave. Monday you can mostly can confirm how the market is going to behave for next 2 to 3 days. This is about Nifty and Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, let me show in the weekly chart. So this is again the close. The candle is good. It's not indecisive candle, somewhat bullish candle only just printed. The problem is that again it is closed in the resistant line. You can see here. Okay, yeah, about that 300 points sell off came in the end of session, 300 to 400 points when it is touches the resistance line. That is 39500. So why this is acting as a resistance? Because it is an shoulder top of head and shoulder pattern. This is the head and shoulder pattern. This is somewhat good strong pattern, accurate, most of accurate pattern. That's what is struggling to break this pattern. So again next week we expect to trade between these two ranges. So either one side supposed to break in the daily, and the open and close supposed to come on either side, above or below. Then you can anticipate or expect some good move in the Bank Nifty. This is the range. So 39,470, which is 500, that is closed on Friday. So if it is open above this, so next big target is 40,900 only. We can greatly achieve go this target in next 4 days. So Monday again Bank Nifty, it is very crucial day for both Bank Nifty and Nifty. It is because cat on wall for both the sides. So you have to carefully watch. So based on Monday we can able to figure out the further move on the Nifty and Bank Nifty. I do have I have only a short position in I took all I exited all my long position on Friday morning when the market opens with the gap up. I had few long position I exited. In fact I have only one long position because Thursday only I exited almost a long position. So I was worried about actually the CPI inflation data which was about to release on Thursday evening. So I exited all the short position and long position, but I do have one small amount of short position in Fin Nifty. So that very small amount that I lost. So that is very small. That just for because some minor trend I seen. That's I explained in my previous video. So that's the reason I took the trade. So Friday I exited my all long position due to the last 1 hour sell off, and and mainly due to the Dow Jones future behavior. I'll show that Dow Jones and Nifty how it was closed on this thing. So afternoon I was seeing it was falling and in the resistance line. Let me show that in the Dow Jones chart. So this is the Bank Nifty ranges for um, next week. So I'm expecting a little bit bullish if it is supposed to open above and can go up. Even though I have start position, but I have a start position in shares which is very trend is already confirmed. I will not lose even though if any gap up or it is if it is going market is falling, then definitely I'll earn because already that stocks are weak. So market sentiment will also support. If market is some positive sentiments is running, then maybe I'll exit the position with no loss or with minor losses. So that's not a problem for me. So why I took an, I just let me explain why I took an short trade on a Friday closing. So you can see this. This is the futures, Dow Jones futures. So I was seeing this. I'll show in the 4 hours. Oh, not loading. Okay, let me show in the. Oh, okay. My internet has gone off. Let me connect back. Sorry for the trouble. Yeah. So I'll show you in the futures. This is the futures I kept in 4 hours. So here I was when market was at the after 1 o'clock the market was the Dow futures was falling. This candle has formed actually. So this is a somewhat rejection and this is the resistance line. Because it is a downtrend line, right? So already therefore yesterday it was there is 5% move from bottom to top. So and the price was turning at this point. So I anticipated the price will go down only, or else it is close with an like some with negative bias or with indecisiveness. So I not expected to break this trend line because the momentum was not there. It was losing the momentum and already its run was very bull candle was very big and with the negative in the negative trend line near to the resistance and that is the thing when the price was seeing when the price was turning and also I just observed some sell off in Nifty. I took this all short position. I'll have if required I'll make a separate video on my trade on Friday which I took. Anyhow, I'm going to release a video for all my last week trades in the futures. This is my reason why I took. And regarding Dow Jones, so when this sell off is going to end, it's a $1 billion question if you ask me. So this is a very strong support for Dow Jones. Okay, so I'll take in weekly so you can able to see very wonderful. So again indices only. So this is a very strong trend line which is a V-shaped recovery before and after corona recovery. So even though you can see there's some rejection here, so it should be because a strong support. This was assumed to this was created well before when the price was hitting this trend line. So same way it was hit and went up and went down and went up. So this was an action double bottom in the daily chart. So that also this trend line supposed to open up. I not anticipated this will open by seeing the both the resistance line is coming across here. So that's the reason I just, and also see I was seeing the rejection here in this trend line. That's the reason I took all short positions. So again the price will next week you can take support here. Dow Jones has little bit consolidation come here. So these are the two possibilities. If it is consolidated also, our market possibilities can move up. Let's see, because now FIs have started selling, so we may not know. So I'm not a speculator, and just based on chart. I mean, chart is only trading based on the price action, how the price is moving. Just but taking some additional support, that is 20% for me, and 80%. 20% is for me the events, and then the news, and then this kind of information. So 80% I only believe on the trade with the charts and candlesticks only, and mainly in the patterns. So this is about Dow Jones. So next week for Dow Jones again, this is the range 29,500 to 28,700. If it is going down, it will pull down our market also. It's the same we are seeing the Friday. So last week and before week we mostly we before week we gone against the trend of US. Last week we are aligned to the US trend, so I believe anticipate this week also we are going to align with the US trend. So US trend, if it is open this trend line, maybe today tomorrow again will turn into the bullish. So that is my review. And Nasdaq is very weak, and the support is, we have to search for the support. The next support is this red line 9686. So that is again 1000 points far away, so it will be 7-8% far away. After that definitely price will bounce back, so we can long position in Nifty IT can take here. So that is an let me show how much percentage is there. Forecast, so that's about 9%. Okay, so only anticipate Nifty again 7% only, 8% only can anticipate, and Dow Jones another 3% we can anticipate. So the proportionally it is also good. After that if it is fall one day and within 1 or 2 days, then from Wednesday onwards we anticipate to bounce back. That is about US market, and that's it guys. So any queries, any comments, you can put it in the comment box. I'm happy to answer. Thank you.